Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of high-pressure foam sprayers, with a focus on the top 3 models you need to know about in 2024. Whether you're a car enthusiast looking to achieve a professional grade wash at home or simply want to make your cleaning routine more efficient, you're in the right place. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So let's get started. Number 3. High-power wireless car wash foam sprayer. First off, this sprayer comes with a substantial 2-liter foam tank, giving you ample capacity for extended washing sessions without frequent refills. Its design is a perfect blend of power and convenience, designed for both home watering and efficient car washing. One of the standout features of this foam sprayer is its electric operation, which means no more struggling with traditional air pump types. The electric mechanism ensures that the foam is delivered consistently and delicately, providing a superior cleaning experience. This foam sprayer boasts 6 core functions that enhance your washing experience. It offers rich foam production, powerful visual appeal, one key start and stop for ease of use, and uniform spraying. The durable and thickened pot body ensures long-term reliability. Flexibility is key, and this sprayer delivers. You can choose between vertical and horizontal bubble jet directions by simply rotating the spout. Whether you need a dense foam sagging effect for deep cleaning or a transverse bubbling for a broader reach, this sprayer covers all your needs. The high-density foam core used in this sprayer creates bubbles that are not only finer, but also have a better sagging effect. This means improved cleaning efficiency and an overall more satisfying car wash experience. Inside, you'll find an intelligent high-speed, low-noise motor. This motor provides strong power with stable performance. The all-copper movement motor is designed for durability and smooth operation, ensuring that your foam sprayer is both effective and enjoyable to use. Convenience is further enhanced with the transparent pot body, featuring a clear scale design. This allows you to easily monitor the water level at a glance. Plus, the high-power battery supports long periods of continuous work, so you don't have to worry about running out of power mid-task. But this isn't just for cars. The versatile foam pot can also be used for a variety of applications. Whether it's cleaning vehicles, family glass, marble floors, or even your kitchen, this sprayer meets diverse needs with ease. Number 2. SPTA High-Pressure Foam Sprayer. The SPTA high-pressure foam sprayer features a generous 2.25-liter capacity, which is equivalent to 76 ounces. This means you can handle multiple applications before needing to refill, making your car washing process much more efficient. This sprayer operates cordlessly and is powered by an electric pressurization system. Simply add your chosen cleaning agent into the bottle, mix it with water in the right proportion, and you're ready to go. Just click the switch on the handle to start. It's that simple. One of the great features of this foam sprayer is its versatility. It comes with 2 types of nozzles, one for spraying foam and another for dispensing clean water. This allows you to customize your cleaning approach depending on your needs. Say goodbye to manual foam application. With its electric pressurization and one-button intelligent switch, this foam sprayer makes car washing significantly easier. The large 2.25-liter capacity means you can dispense cleaning agents multiple times without frequent refills, saving both time and effort. Quality is a major focus with this product. The SPTA high-pressure foam sprayer is made from environmentally friendly materials that are resistant to acids and alkalis. It's non-corrosive and designed to meet various spraying needs while being durable and reliable. One of the standout features is its convenience. There is no need for a separate foam gun, pressure washer, or hose. Simply press the button and you can generate thick, viscous foam for easy application. It's lightweight and portable, making it ideal for on-the-go use. You can even take it with you on trips to keep your vehicle clean wherever you are. Additionally, this foam sprayer is easy to disassemble and clean. Its rechargeable design and user-friendly assembly make it perfect for maintaining cleanliness, even during your travels. Number 1. Snow Cannon High Pressure Foam Sprayer. The Snow Cannon High-pressure foam sprayer features a portable cordless design. This eliminates the hassle of connecting to high-pressure cleaning machines and reduces the overall effort required for cleaning. The cordless feature provides added convenience, making it simpler and easier to use. Powered by a rechargeable lithium battery, this foam sprayer offers a one-click start. There's no need to add compressed air or manually pressurize the unit. With just a click, you can produce rich and delicate foam effortlessly. This ensures that you don't have to worry about insufficient pressure or uneven foam distribution. One of the standout features of this foam sprayer is its ability to produce dense, slick foam. This foam is specifically designed to be gentle on your vehicle's paintwork, effectively removing dirt without causing any scratches. You can achieve professional-grade car wash results right at home. Using the Snow Cannon high-pressure foam sprayer is quick and straightforward. Simply mix water and detergent in the appropriate proportion and press the switch to begin spraying. The sprayer offers 2 startup modes. A long press of the switch keeps it working continuously, while a double click maintains operation, and a single click stops the sprayer. This foam sprayer is not just for vehicles. It is also highly versatile and suitable for various cleaning tasks. You can use it to clean car paint surfaces, interiors, and even around your home. It's perfect for cleaning windows, mirrors, interior decorations, and plastic surfaces. The Snow Cannon high-pressure foam sprayer is an excellent tool for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine. With its cordless design, easy operation, and ability to produce high-quality foam, it is an ideal choice for both professional and home use. And that wraps up our look at the top 3 high-pressure foam sprayers for 2024. Each of these models brings something unique to the table, whether it's exceptional foam production, ease of use, or versatile cleaning capabilities. We hope this guide helps you choose the right foam cannon to elevate your car washing experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.